The Pop Daily Reset. If you want to rebuild your mindset, you need something simple you can practice every day. That's why I created the Pop Daily Reset. It's built around 4 pillars: positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. Here's how it works. Positivity. What's one better thought I can focus on today? Ownership. What's one thing I need to take responsibility for today? Progress. What's one action I will take today? Purpose. Why does this matter for my future? That's it. No complicated routines, no fake motivation, just daily rebuilding. And if you practice this consistently, your mindset starts changing. Because transformation happens through repetition. So start today. Write down your 4 answers. And if you want to do this with a community of mindset rebuilders, join us inside Pop. Link is in the description. Stay positive, stay accountable, mindset rebuilders.
I tried pop when I thought I couldn't make it back. I tried pop.